Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I am the voice behind all the videos that you see on this YouTube channel as well as the PMCLounge.com website. Today I'm sitting with an entrepreneur here who owns a company called Full Scoop, and his name is Manish.
Hi.
And I just wanted to have a chat with him around planning. He's an entrepreneur, he runs his own business. How important is project management for him? And we happened to discuss around planning, and I told him about the quote that we all are a fan of here over at pmclounge.com, which is a minute in planning saves 10 minutes in execution. Now, when it comes to entrepreneurship, right, specifically from entrepreneurship, let's keep project management aside. Let's talk about entrepreneurship. How important is planning when it comes to entrepreneurship? Is a minute spent in planning for you saves 10 minutes in execution?
Absolutely, I agree to this particular fact. Being from an advertising agency background, the projects that we take from clients may not be too much into technical thing. It is moreover about creativity, about the social media planning and goals that we are having. But
Right.
still, if we are having a proactive direction for every project, the execution happens to be much better and even results are much brighter.
Right.
So it goes like a previous saying that if you are spending good time in sharpening your eggs, then
Right.
cutting a tree would take lesser time
Would be,
to
yeah,
directly
right,
go
right,
over
right.
it. So planning has no different substitute. I even keep saying to our team members as well that instead of taking impromptu decision, spend a little time and thinking about it and to get on some solution.
Right. So, are there any tools as such that you use? Because you are not from project management background, right? If I were to be speaking to someone who is a, let's say, who is a fellow project manager or someone who's into the industry of project management, and I would talk about planning, and he would mention a tool like, let's say, MS Project, or let's say, something else which could be particular to their own organization. When it comes to planning for your enterprise, since you're not from that background, are there any tools as such that you would use? Do you guys use a dashboard, or would you use an Excel, or are there brainstorming involved? How do you initiate the entire process of planning?
So planning and process, these two things are very much related to each other. If you want to have strong processes in your team, it can happen only when you have a rigorous planning to execute
Right,
that.
right.
And because I'm not too much from technical background, so we don't use tough software kind of thing. Talking from a layman language, the biggest software for planning that we use in our company is Google Calendar.
Okay,
But I
great,
would
that's
say
great.
it as a personal assistant to each and every person that is working in our company. If we are planned to have a morning meeting at 9:30, everyone's mobile will get popped up at 9:15
Nine.
with Google Calendar's
Right.
notification that you need to be in a meeting. And if we are having any client call on Thursday 1:15 p.m., we usually have a notification in Google Calendar.
Right, right.
Even in our company, we try to have non-rounded off time period for any meetings because human psychology says that if I'm saying people to come at 10 a.m., they usually come at 10, 5, 10, 10 a.m. And
Right.
if we'll call them at 9:57 a.m. for the meeting, they probably come at 9:56.
Right, right. Oh, that's great. That's a good tip for you project managers out there running your projects, handling your weekly team meetings. Instead of hosting a team meeting at, let's say, 9:30 a.m., how about you try 9:26 a.m.? And my friend here, Manish, does at his company known as Full Scoop. So that's all that I had in this quick video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Check us out on our social media. And don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your #1 free resource for PMP and other project management certifications.